Hey y'all, I know it's been a while. I just wanted to come in here just to say hey. I am headed to Marshall's to purchase a mirror because your girl being down and out, I've been in an accident and I've just been recovering. But I said, you know what? On my day off, all I do is sleep, eat, and you already know what else. So I was like, let me just get out of the house. It's what, 7 something. I'm going to the Marshall warehouse near me just so I can buy a mirror because I want to do like a little TikTok live tonight. So yeah, I hope you guys are doing well. Today is September 9th. I love you guys. I hope you guys are doing well. For everyone that sent me well wishes, I thank you so very much. Thank you for all of the prayers. Thank you for everyone that reached out. And I'm recording this now, but you guys will see it later. So I came to the CVS because I went to the Marshall and it seems like that Marshall is closed. So I'm gonna see if they have this lip gloss, lip oil. It's like a dupe for the Dior. Let me see if they have it. I had purchased one. I just love their little section here. And no, they do not have any, but they have the Bioderma. They have the bio oil. I have that. They have the lipstick. What is this? This is Milky Gloss. I might get this. They have this. They just have like the small exfoliating scrub. I love these 3Os too. What is this? For your hair, garlic, fruit cheese, rose posay. Has a cleanser. And then they got these 3O. They don't have what I'm looking for. A hairbrush. Oh. Well, this is cute. So I'm gonna show y'all what I got. We got our package. We secured the bag. So with my gift card, I spent how much money? $33.32, and they gave me this long receipt. Yeah, so we're headed back home. It's a little bit dark. Is this what I have on? I look so cute. But I'll meet you guys home. Hey y'all, I got 2 PR packages and I wanted to unbox them with you guys. I did a little bit of unboxing on Instagram, but I said I want to show y'all. So I got this big package sent to me by a brand, and this brand is called L'Oreal. So it's L'Oreal Color Sonic. It's taped up. Anyway, they sent 2 items, and they send these. And then I got another PR package from Maybelline. And y'all won't believe I purchased this Maybelline. I love Maybelline. If you didn't know, I purchased this Maybelline lash from TikTok Shop. It went viral on TikTok Shop, and I need to do a review for you guys. And guess what came in the mail today? So these are their iconic matte lippies. If you know me, you know that I love matte lipstick. You put them on and they don't smudge, they don't move. So they sent me 5 of them. These are so pretty. And this is how they would look. Y'all, I'm so happy. I'm so grateful. Thank you, God, that, you know, he actually has these on my YouTube platform, my social media, content creation, my influencer, just me as a person. Like, brands are sending me PR. This is amazing. But anyways, I wanted to show y'all a few things that I went and purchased from the beauty supply store. So I got me a Dettol. I want to use this on my face. I'm really trying my best to get these acne off my face. So I'm doing a lot of skincare. I have a secret for y'all. I am now a Thirst ambassador. Yay! So they sent me this toner. This is the in the scent rose petal. This is so good because I had so much black spots and it was so pronounced, but I'm using this. As you guys can see, I've used it for a whole week and I'm going to use it for the entire month of September. And what I love most about that is it's all clean ingredients. So I got me a hairnet because I'm going to start fixing my hair, doing my hair with you guys. I did get a stocking cap. This is a weaving net. Then I got me these complexion soap. My mom used to let us bathe with these long time ago, so I said, you know what, let me get back into that. I got me 2 needles and a thread. I got this when I'm doing my quick weaves, and I got a professional scissors. I also got me a ponytail. That's everything I got from the beauty supply store. I did go to Dollar Tree. I got some AAA batteries and I got a pack of a double mint gum and also a soda. I think that's it. Oh, I went to TJ Maxx and I picked up wipes because I want to start doing my makeup. So yeah, y'all, I'm so excited. But anyways, guys, I'm watching something now, and then after that I have to take my book back to the library. Okay, so let me show y'all what I've been reading. So I started reading my books again. This is from Shelly. Yes, me and her have the same name. What a coincidence for my first book to have the same name. Y'all know I want to write a book, right? But that time will come. But anyways, so this book is called Between Friends and Lovers. This is so good. Like, I would love to meet the author one day. But anyways, y'all, I really need to fix my hair. I need to shave underneath my arm, but that's going to be in a video. Your girl is rocking the inches. But I hope you guys are doing well. I'm going to tie you up in here just a little bit, and then I'll be heading to take this book back to the library. It's about 7:20 something. The library closed at 8 o'clock. Library is like 10 minutes away from my home. So I'm going to go ahead and take this back, and then I don't think I'm going to pick up any book because the last time I got 2 books. So I'm going to take this one back. I have another one. I'm going to start reading that and then try to finish it before it's time for me to take it back. See y'all. I know I had something to tell y'all. So I went to Sam's Club because you know I'm a Sam's Club Plus member, right? And every time you purchase from Sam's Club, you always get savings back. So I went to Sam's Club and I was like, man, I need some money. So I went to the counter and I was like, I know I have money from my Sam's Club savings. Can you just give me the money because I don't want to buy nothing in the store? And he said, sure. So the guy gave me my savings money in cash, which was $41 and something change. And I took that money and I went and I purchased these things. And so if you didn't know, now you know. I'm letting you know that if you are a Sam's Club member and you're always purchasing things and you notice that you have a savings, normally everyone would just spend that savings back into the store. You don't have to do that. Just ask them for the money, ask them for the cash, and go to Walmart, go to Target, go to Sephora, Ulta, whatever it is that you need. Go buy your kids something, buy you something, buy your husband something, your boyfriend something, by your sister, your brother, whoever. Just know that you can go to Sam's Club and you can get cash. So it's like cash back, but it isn't cash back. You're just getting the cash, the savings that you have on your account. I love y'all. See y'all another time. And if you like these glasses, let me know. These are so good. I can definitely link them for you guys because I have them linked on my LTK already. And you know that this hat, I did get this hat as a gift last year when I stayed at the Ray Hotel. So cute. Y'all, I love y'all. I miss y'all. Have a good night, a good day, good evening, whatever time you're watching me. I went makeup shopping last night because I went through some of my purses, right? Y'all know I'm down bad. I went through some of my purses and I found like 4 gift cards. Normally, when people give me gift cards, for some reason, I don't spend them because I'm not a person that regularly spend gift cards when I get them. I would just put them in my bags or put them in my purse. And I went through my purse and I saw like 4 gift cards. How come those 4 gifts? Guess what? Those 4 gift cards is like over $100 and something dollars. I think $200 plus. So I went to CVS. First of all, I went to a Marshall because I wanted to get a double-sided mirror, but that Marshall closed down and CVS was right next door. So I just went over to CVS. They gave me this long receipt. So everything that I got came up to $33.32. I got me some gummies. I ate them already. Y'all know how me and candy go sometimes. I got these crawlers. Ate it already. And then I got this elf. I was like, this is the first time I've seen this elf setting spray. This one is the Power Grip Dewy Setting Spray. So just in case you're interested, this is the best lotion on the market. Ooh, sorry y'all. Show y'all again. Let me show y'all. See how white my hand is, right? Put just a little bit. Right? It's so thick, so smooth, and it's just so good. Like, y'all see that? You see that? Look at the difference. And look, white. And look. I love this. And I saw these new lipsticks. These are actually lip gloss from NYX. I love the packaging. It says this is milky gloss in the color milk and honey. I grab another one in this shade. On the back of them, they have like numbers. This one is called Milk the Cocoa. And these are so good. I love the applicators. See that? So good. This is a pretty nude. Pretty nude. So good. But with these, I do have to line my lip. And I think that's it. Oh, and I did get a bar of soap, but I have it in the bathroom. Yep. I got a Zest Aqua bar soap. Yep. And they did give me some 40% off savings, $10, 25% off, 30% off, $2 off, and $2 off. I get 40% off a full-size item. I like to use these coupons too. But yeah, y'all. Bye. I got to show y'all these because normally when I purchase things, I want to show y'all it. And then when I don't get to show y'all this stuff, and I'm like, oh my God, like I feel so bad because the camera eats before we eat with anything. And I was like, oh my God, like I really wanted to show y'all how it's, I mean, the stuff that I purchased, just in case you want to buy it as well, you know. So I'm gonna put these in my makeup kit. I want to try these. I did have them on last night, and I feel like I need to put them on with the lip. Yeah, but that's all, guys. If there's anything else, I'll definitely pick you guys back up. But I just wanted to show y'all the stuff that I got, that I pick up. This is so good, y'all. It has aloe vera. You know, anything that has aloe vera is something that is really good. I can definitely link that in the description box down below as well, so you guys can grab you some, because anything that is clean, give it to me. Like, I want it and I want more. But all right, y'all.